Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of pyrolysis and its revolutionary impact on waste management. The days of landfills and concerns about waste are a thing of the past. Now, we have the incredible opportunity to reclaim valuable resources from plastic, and that resource is none other than oil. Stay tuned as we uncover the transformative journey of turning plastic waste into a valuable and sustainable source of oil. Let's step right into how it's done, without wasting any time. Step 1. Collection and sorting. The journey begins with the meticulous collection and sorting of plastic waste. This crucial step ensures that materials rich in hydrocarbons, the building blocks for fuel production, enter the pyrolysis system. Proper sorting sets the stage for an efficient transformation process. Step 2. Preparing the plastic feedstock. Collected plastic undergoes preparation, where it is shredded and sized to create a uniform feedstock. This optimization step enhances the efficiency of the pyrolysis reaction, laying the groundwork for turning plastic into valuable fuel. Step 3. Loading the reactor. With the prepared plastic feedstock, it's time to load the reactor, a specialized chamber that facilitates the controlled breakdown of plastics. This sets the stage for the conversion of plastic into gases, liquids, and a residue rich in carbon. Step 4. Heating and initiating pyrolysis. As the reactor heats up, pyrolysis kicks into gear. Plastic waste, subjected to temperatures ranging from 400 to 800 degrees Celsius, undergoes thermal decomposition, transforming into gases, liquids, and a residue rich in carbon. Step 5. Gas extraction. One of pyrolysis's wonders is the extraction of gases, such as syngas, during the process. These gases, rich in hydrocarbons, serve as a precursor to producing fuels like petrol and diesel. Step 6. Condensation and collection of liquid fuels. As the gases emerge, they undergo cooling and condensation. This critical step separates valuable liquid byproducts, including biofuels. These liquid treasures can take the form of petrol, diesel, and other useful substances. Step 7. Residue handling. The residue left behind, known as biochar, isn't forgotten. It's repurposed as a valuable soil amendment, completing the sustainability loop of pyrolysis and minimizing waste. Step 8. Energy generation and application. The extracted gases, now transformed into a potent fuel source, find applications across various sectors. From powering vehicles with petrol and diesel to serving as gas for industrial processes, pyrolysis-derived fuels play a crucial role in sustainable energy generation. In conclusion, turning plastic into valuable fuel through pyrolysis involves a fascinating journey. We start by carefully collecting and sorting plastic waste, making sure we get the right materials for fuel production. Then, we prepare the plastic by shredding and sizing it to create a uniform feedstock, setting the stage for an efficient transformation. Next, we load the plastic into a special chamber called the reactor, where it undergoes controlled breakdown through pyrolysis. The plastic transforms into gases, liquids, and a residue rich in carbon as the reactor heats up. These gases, especially syngas, are extracted during the process and become precursors for making fuels like petrol and diesel. After that, we cool and condense the gases, separating valuable liquid byproducts like biofuels. These liquids, which can be petrol, diesel, and more, are like treasures from the process. The residue left behind, called biochar, doesn't go to waste, it becomes a useful soil amendment, completing the sustainability loop. Finally, the extracted gases, now transformed into potent fuels, are used to generate energy. Whether it's powering vehicles or serving as gas for industrial processes, pyrolysis-derived fuels play a crucial role in creating sustainable energy for various applications. It's a fantastic process that turns plastic waste into valuable resources, contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable future. If you guys want to watch more videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time. Vamos!